Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Yaseen.
Yaseen.
Wal Qur'anil Hakim.
By the wise Qur'an.
Innaka laminal mursaleen.
You are truly among the messengers.
Ala siratim mustaqim.
On a straight way.
Tanzeel al-azizir rahim.
And this Qur'an is a revelation from the most mighty, the most compassionate.
لِتُنذِرَ قَوْمًا مَّا أُنذِرَ آبَاؤُهُمْ فَهُمْ غَافِلُونَ.
So that you may warn a people whose ancestors were not warned before, wherefore they are heedless.
لَقَدْ حَقَّ الْقَوْلُ عَلَىٰ أَكْثَرِهِمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Surely most of them merit the decree of chastisement, so they do not believe.
إِنَّا جَعَلْنَا فِي أَعْنَاقِهِمْ أَغْلَالًا فَهِيَ إِلَى الْأَذْقَانِ فَهُمْ مُقْمَحُونَ.
We have put fetters around their necks, which reach up to their chins, so that they are standing with their heads upright.
وَجَعَلْنَا مِن بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ سَدًّا وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ سَدًّا فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ.
And we have put a barrier before them, and a barrier behind them, and have covered them up, so they are unable to see.
وَسَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
It is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them, for they shall not believe.
إِنَّمَا تُنذِرُ مَنِ اتَّبَعَ الذِّكْرَ وَخَشِيَ الرَّحْمَنَ بِالْغَيْبِ فَبَشِّرْهُ بِمَغْفِرَةٍ وَأَجْرٍ كَرِيمٍ.
You can warn only him who follows the admonition and fears the merciful Lord without seeing him. Give such a one good tidings of forgiveness and a generous reward.
إِنَّا نَحْنُ نُحْيِي الْمَوْتَى وَنَكْتُبُ مَا قَدَّمُوا وَآثَارَهُمْ وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَحْصَيْنَاهُ فِي إِمَامٍ مُبِينٍ.
We shall surely raise the dead to life, and we record what they did and the traces of their deeds that they have left behind. We have encompassed that in a clear book.
وَاضْرِبْ لَهُم مَّثَلًا أَصْحَابَ الْقَرْيَةِ إِذْ جَاءَهَا الْمُرْسَلُونَ.
Recite to them as a case in point the story of the people of the town when the messengers came to them.
إِذْ أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَيْهِمُ اثْنَيْنِ فَكَذَّبُوهُمَا فَعَزَّزْنَا بِثَالِثٍ فَقَالُوا إِنَّا إِلَيْكُمْ مُرْسَلُونَ.
We sent to them 2 messengers, and they rejected both of them as liars. Then we strengthened them with a 3rd messenger. They said, "We've been sent to you as messengers."
قالوا ما أنتم إلا شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
The people of the town said, "You are only human beings like ourselves, and the merciful Lord has revealed nothing. You are simply lying."
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
The messenger said, "Our Lord knows that we have indeed been sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And our duty is no more than to clearly convey the message."
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
The people of the town said, "We believe you are an evil omen for us. If you do not desist, we will stone you, or you will receive a grievous chastisement from us."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
The messengers replied, "Your evil omen is with you. Are you saying this because you were asked to take heed? The truth is that you are a people who have exceeded all bounds."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
In the meantime, a man came running from the far end of the town saying, "My people, follow the messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Follow those who do not ask any recompense from you and are rightly guided."
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
Why should I not serve the one who created me and to whom all of you shall be sent back?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
What? Shall I take any deities apart from him whose intercession will not avail me the least, were the merciful one to bring any adversity upon me, nor will they be able to rescue me?
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Surely, in that case, I should indeed be in evident error.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
I believe in your Lord, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
Eventually, they killed him, and he was told, "Enter paradise." The man exclaimed, "Would that my people knew."
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
For what reason Allah has forgiven me and placed me among the honored ones.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
After him, we did not send down any hosts from the heaven. We stood in no need to send down any host.
إن كانت إلا صيحة فإذا هم خامدون.
There was but a single blast, and suddenly they became silent and still.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
Alas for my servants, never does a messenger come to them, but they mock him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have they not seen how many nations before them did we destroy? Thereafter they never came back to them.
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
All of them shall one day be gathered before us.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
Let the dead earth be a sign for them. We gave it life and produced from it grain whereof they eat.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
We made in it gardens of date palms and vines, and we caused springs to gush forth.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
That they might eat of its fruits. It was not their hands that made them. Will they not then give thanks?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Holy is He who created all things in pairs, whether it be of what the earth produces, and of themselves, and of what they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
And the night is another sign for them. We strip the day from it, and they become plunged in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
The sun is running its course to its appointed place. That is the ordaining of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
We have appointed stages for the moon till it returns in the shape of a dry old branch of palm tree.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
Neither does it lie in the sun's power to overtake the moon, nor can the night outstrip the day. All glide along, each in its own orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
Another sign for them is that we carried all their offspring in the laden vessel.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And then created for them other vessels like those on which they ride.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
Should we so wish, we can drown them, and there will be none to heed their cries of distress, nor will they be rescued.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
It is only our mercy that rescues them and enables enjoyment of life for a while.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
When it is said to such people, guard yourselves against what is ahead of you and what has preceded you, that mercy be shown to you, they pay scant heed to it.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
Never does any sign of the Lord come to them, but they turn away from it.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend in the way of Allah out of the sustenance that Allah has provided you, the unbelievers say to the believers, shall we feed him whom Allah would have fed, had he so wished? Say, you are in evident error.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They say, when will this threat of resurrection come to pass? Tell us if indeed you are truthful.
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
The truth is that they are waiting for nothing but a mighty blast to seize them, the while they are disputing in their worldly affairs.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
And they will not even be able to make a testament, nor to return to their households.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
Then the trumpet shall be blown, and lo, they will come out of their graves and be on the move towards their Lord.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
Nervously exclaiming, alas for us, who roused us out of our sleeping place? This is what the Merciful One had promised, and what His messengers had said was true.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
Then there will simply be one single blast, and all will have gathered before us.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
Today no one shall suffer the least injustice, and you shall not be recompensed except according to your deeds.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, the people of paradise will be busy enjoying themselves,
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their spouses shall be reclining on their couches in shady groves.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
Therein there will be all kinds of fruits to eat, and they shall have all that they desire.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Peace shall be the word conveyed to them from their merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
Criminals, separate yourselves from others today.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Children of Adam, did I not command you not to serve Satan? He is to you an open enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And serve me alone. This is the straight way.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
Still he misguided a whole throng of you. Did you have no sense?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
Now this is the hell of which you were warned.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Burn in it on account of your disbelieving.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
Today we shall put a seal on their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet shall bear witness to what they had been doing.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
If we so willed, we would have put out their eyes, then they would rush to see the way, but how would they be able to see?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
If we so willed, we would have transformed them where they were, so that they would not go forward or backward.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
Whomsoever we grant a long life, we reverse him in his constitution. Do they still not understand?
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
We did not teach him to wit the messenger poetry, and it does not behove him. This is none but an admonition and a clear book.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
That he may warn him who is alive and establish an argument against those that deny the truth.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Do they not see our handiwork? We created for them cattle which they own.
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
We have subjected the cattle to them, so that some of them they ride and eat the flesh of others.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
They derive a variety of benefits and drinks from them. Will they then not give thanks?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
They set up deities apart from Allah, hoping that they will receive help from them.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
Those deities can render them no help, yet these devotees act as though they were an army in waiting for them.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
Let not their words grieve you. Surely we know all things about them, what they conceal and what they reveal.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
Does man not see that we created him of a sperm drop, and lo, he is flagrantly contentious.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
He strikes for us a similitude and forgot his own creation. He says, who will quicken the bones when they have decayed?
قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, he who first brought them into being will quicken them. He knows well about every kind of creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
He who created from a green tree a fire for you, a fire to light your stoves with.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Has he who created the heavens and the earth no power to create the likes of them? Yes, indeed, he is the superb creator.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
Whenever he wills a thing, he just commands it, be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
Holy is he who has full control over everything, and to him you shall all be recalled.